reflecting off my skin. Closed eyes as I feel the wind, yeah. Beyond the clouds, I'd see myself in an ocean of stars, somewhere far. Got nowhere to be, nothing to see, so I'll stay. Life can wait, 'cause you know everything will turn out okay when you listen to the waves. Listen to the waves. Listen to the waves. Listen to the waves. Footprints lying on the sand reminds me of where I began. Looking across this vast ocean, problems seem so small. And as your mind begins to open, all your worries fall right off, 'cause you know everything will turn out okay when you listen to the waves. Listen to the waves. Listen to the waves. Listen to the waves. know everything will turn out okay when you listen to the way. What's up, y'all? We're Malik Azrael on the Vibes. I'm Malik. This is Calvin. This is Josh. And this is Quinn. Thank you so much for having us this morning. It's an early morning. That first song was called Waves. This next song is called Anxiety. Heavy, it's been weighing on my mental like an anchor, yeah. It's been pulling me down, 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 down. They say it's all in my head, and that's the problem. A feeling I can't put to bed with some NyQuil. I need to catch my breath before I drown, drown. So I gotta breathe in, breathe out, and let go. Gotta let go. It's time to move on. Breathe in, breathe out, and let go. But I don't know, should I hold on? Breathe in, breathe out, and let go. Gotta let go, cause it'll eat you up if you don't come up for air. Said I can't hide that I feel like a fraud. Isn't that odd? Walking in somebody else's shoes, cause I can't find mine. My brain keeps telling me that I'm not enough. I should give it up, I should give it up. But I'm working on treating myself with some better love. So I've gotta breathe in, breathe out, and let go. Gotta let go. It's time to move on. Breathe in, breathe out, and let go. But I don't know, should I hold on? Breathe in, breathe out, and let go. Gotta let go. It's time to move on. If you don't come up for air, up for air, up for air. I hate when I get like this in a crowd full of people. Am I too quiet? Do I talk too much? Should I look for love in some place where nobody wants to keep in touch? It's just all too much. It's just all too much. It's just all too much. So I gotta breathe in, breathe out, and let go. Gotta let go, it's time to move on. Breathe in, breathe out, and let go. But I don't know, should I hold on? Breathe in, breathe out, and let go. Gotta let go, cause it'll eat you up if you don't come up. fading away. And I don't know what to do. I just wanna stay in your mind, live in your head. So even when I'm not there, you'll still love me. I don't think I'm ready for you to move on, erase me. Just say it won't happen, say it won't happen. Just say it won't happen, say it won't happen. Say you'll keep me, think of me daily, baby. I just wanna stay in your mind. Just wanna stay. I 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 just wanna stay in your. I just wanna stay. I just wanna stay. I just wanna stay. I just wanna. Well, I just wanna stay. Don't fade away. Live in your head. 'Cause it feels like I'm fading away. And I don't know what to do. Oh, what to do. This next song is called Find the Love. It's from my last project, Waves. I hope you like it. Go stream it everywhere. It's on Spotify and iTunes and YouTube. out of town with no room to see that you were slowly going, trying to get free of all the mistakes I've made. Yeah. The biggest one was the day I didn't tell you I love you and let you just walk away. No matter how hard we try, we just can't get it right. No matter how hard we try, we just can't win this war. But we can make amends, put the pain to an end, and find the love. Let's find the love. Let's start again, back where we began, and find the love. Let's find the love. If the heavens really could speak, they sound as loud as a prophecy. They'd say how you let go of an angel you should have held her dearly. No matter how hard we try, we just can't get it right. No matter how hard we try, we just can't win this war. But we can make amends, put the pain to an end, and find the love. Let's find the love. Let's start again, back where we began, and find the love. Yes, find the love. But we can find love. Let's find love. Let's start again. Start again. And find love. Let's find love. We can make amends, put it to an end, and find the love. Let's start again, where we began, and find the love. Let's find the love, yeah. Let's find the love. Let's find the love. This last song is called Room for You. This is on our upcoming project. Yeah, I'm very excited for this song. We are Malik Azrael and the Vibes. Thank you so much for having us today. This last song is Room for You. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands.
Keep going. Ready.
We are Malik Azrael and the Vibes, and this last song is called Room for You. This is on our upcoming project, and we are so excited to finally be able to give you guys something. Cause it could all just cave in. So you've been patient, waiting for something to give. This life ain't got no guarantees, so don't be scared of choosing me, no. Oh yeah. Honestly, it'd be an honor just to say we've got his story. So let's not think too much, just fall into my hand. We don't know what's gonna happen, so let's just slow dance. Not fall in love unless it's part of the plan. Baby, I'll make room for you. I'll make room for you. Yeah, clocks are broken, so there's no cause for alarm. No, 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 no. We've got nothing but time. So let's not think too much, just fall into my hands. We don't know what's gonna happen, so let's just slow down. And let's not fall in love unless it's part of the plan. And if it's true, baby, I'll make room for you. I'll make room for you. Oh, you ready? Head down, I'm in love. Just us. Oh, head down, I'm in love. Tears all gone. It's just us. Let's not think too much, just fall into my hands. We don't know what's gonna happen, so let's just slow dance. And let's not fall in love. Cause if it's true, We're Malik Azrael, the motherfucking vibes.